once you've created your model, it's going to look something like this. You'll see that as you turn the model, it's going to be dark on the left side, really dark underneath. And that's just because our default lighting puts a single point light out here in space, and this is just how it looks. Now, what we're going to go over in this video is how to improve the lighting, set it up the way you want it. If you go over here into the add, you can see that there are a number of different types of lights. And what we're going to focus on in this video is just the point lights, but feel free to experiment with the others. First thing I'm going to do is create a group. This is just something that I do to help keep myself organized, and I'm going to put my point lights underneath or inside of that group. So I'm going to take this point light and duplicate it a few times. You can see that it's getting really bright there on the airplane because they're all stacked up on top of one another. And if you want to, you can name these to keep track of where they are. So if I zoom out here, you'll notice that I can see exactly where that point light is. So I'm going to take this one that's selected, I'm going to move it over here. I'm going to be looking down here at the position to get an idea of where it is relative to the model. I'll take this one and put it down there, and let's zoom back in. Already you can see the lighting looks a little bit better. Like that. But another thing you can do to help improve the lighting is change the intensity. So I'm going to bring down the intensity here of a couple. I want that one up. Okay, now it's looking a little bit better. Alright, so now we're really well lit everywhere. We can see the model just perfect and all the details. Another thing you can do to improve the aesthetics of your model is to change the shininess of objects. So you'll notice that right now it looks kind of matte, but if we increase the shininess, now it'll look, you can see it's a lot prettier looking. So we'll go ahead and change the shininess on, oopsies. Alright, there you go. Now your aircraft already looks a lot better. Feel free to play a lot with the lighting to get it just the way you want. Try the various lights, try positioning them in various locations and changing their intensities and the shininess, and you should be able to get the model looking just the way you want it.